This is a Workman's dashboard help tutorial for the accounts page, which can be accessed in your top-hand navigational structure up here. The accounts page is showing us all of the accounts or customers that we've created in our system. So here in this build we've got over 3,500 accounts that we've created bids for in the past. Similar to some of our other pages, we can do filters and sorts at the top here, so the arrows, the up and down arrows will sort them either alphabetically or reverse alphabetically, A to Z or Z to A. We can do sorts, so we could just type in the word construction. Anything that has the word construction in the name will be yielded in the results. As you can see, we've filtered down to 175 results. You can also, over here, there's a hyperlink that's going to show how many contacts we have associated with a particular account and how many jobs in the system we have associated with a particular account. So for this Woodman construction, if I click the 5 here, it's going to bring me to a new page that shows me very quickly the 5 contacts that I have associated with Woodman construction. If we click our back button, let's get back to Woodman. Likewise, if I click the 12 next to jobs, it's going to show me every job in the system that we've bid for Woodman construction very quickly with job numbers, job names, the last updated date, and the status of that job. One other quick thing, we decided instead of having the ability to delete historical accounts, we decided not to do that because we didn't want to upend any historical bidding information we have about accounts. So if there's an account that maybe we're not doing business with anymore, it can either be maybe they went out of business or maybe they're just dormant and we haven't done work for them in a while. We have the ability to make an account inactive. So instead of deleting accounts, what you can do with a particular account is turn it inactive, which you see in this rightmost column here. And the way that you do that is you actually go into the account, click edit, and you can make it either active or inactive right here. One other quick thing too is we recently implemented this ability to have a salesperson, which is a role on your job that is not a required field. It doesn't affect the dashboards, but for example, if your company pays out commissions or if there's some other reason that you want to track a separate either account manager or salesperson, you can do that here. If you put in a default person here, every time you create a job and designate this particular account for that job, it's going to automatically put whatever salesperson is your default in the account into each subsequent job. And by way of reminder, if you'd like to turn these help tips on or off, you can do that in your edit profile area here. Click help tips and you can toggle the checkbox off and click save. Thank you very much.